Got our thick wetsuits on.
You didn't see that? Do you see the fight? We are definitely a sight to see. Two penguin-looking things working on their holding tank issues.
Hi, my name is Billy.
I'm Sierra, and this is our dog Jetty.
We usually live and travel on a boat, a few different boats in fact.
But now we are driving across the country as our new boat is being built.
Join us on this all-new Terra Tula adventure
as we drive, bike, hike, paddle, and sail across the good old USA.
Don't forget to subscribe. Good morning, you guys. We just woke up at our campsite in Oregon at Cape Disappointment State Park, and we just walked over to the beach, and there's some really nice looking waves over there, so I think we're gonna get suited up with our thick wetsuits and gloves and booties and go try to surf a little bit before we have to leave this area. We're gonna get the boards off the roof, get our suits suited up, and we'll head over there. Got our thick wetsuits on and booties, and we'll throw the rest of this stuff on, the gloves, when we get to the beach. How's it feel?
I feel like a penguin.
You're not even fully zipped up yet.
Bye, monkey. My feet look really small.
Are you excited?
I'm a little nervous.
What are you nervous about?
Being cold and getting eaten by a great white shark.
The wind came on it a little bit, but it's still light and it still looks fun. And we're gonna suit up and get out there in the freezing cold water. I can't tell you the last time I wore this wetsuit or these gloves or booties. Sierra's obviously brand new to it.
How do I get my hair out of my face?
Just gotta tuck it up there. I miss that. May as well be warm. Remember, duck diving's gonna be harder because we're gonna float like crazy.
I definitely prefer surfing in a bikini.
Alright, it's up to my knees. It's a little chilly down there. I mean, in my feet.
Well, I haven't felt the water yet. Okay, it's seeped in. It's in. It's in. It's in my boots. Oy vey.
Oh, swimming over the falls on that one. Alright, made it out. Definitely some nice waves. Longer period, not huge, but like definitely long period, powerful as well. Water's not that bad at all. It's chill, but not like this.
Get up. I probably should have attempted my first day with this thick of a wetsuit with small waves. It's not super easy to paddle. Try going today. Just go and I'll be happy.
It's big. Powerful. How you doing?
I have to keep reminding myself that I'm much better at surfing than riding a bike.
Why are you nervous?
Kind of.
You're doing fantastic, man. They're like powerful swells, right?
Yeah.
Is that a paddle back out?
Yeah, just because I can't move my arms. Like, I've never really been scared of surfing because I've always told myself that I could swim out of any situation. But now I feel like I can't swim.
Well, worst case scenario, you just get tired and you float in. Like, you float so much more in these wetsuits.
A seal just popped up right there. You didn't see that? Do seals bite? Mission accomplished. We caught some waves. We didn't get hurt. We made it back.
Didn't get eaten by a great white shark.
We didn't get eaten.
You saw a seal?
I saw a seal come out of the water like a dolphin, like, and then go down, except it definitely wasn't a dolphin. Our checkout time is 1, so we had to come back to the camper and leave. On our way out, we spotted the dump station and freshwater fill-up station, so we're going to do that before we leave. Our gray water tank that we've been using has some sort of clog in it, and so we've been dripping, so we got to get that fixed. And yeah, get some water.
How do you feel in your wetsuit?
I definitely can't move my arms as easy as I can without it, but definitely kept me warm. Just to be very clear, this is gray water, not black water, so it's from the shower and the sink. So some just spilled on Billy, but don't be too alarmed. What is that? Is it your coffee grounds?
It is my coffee ground.
I told you so.
Ugh.
Stinks. We are definitely a sight to see. 2 penguin-looking things working on their holding tank issues. Note to self, don't change out of your sandy wetsuit or bathing suit in the shower because all of that sand clogs the drain. And don't empty your coffee grounds in the sink, Billy. Next up.
Usually the water right next to the dump station is non-potable water, probably because you stick the tip into all the nasty bits of your sewage hoses and stuff. So you usually drive around, there's another spigot that's the potable water that's meant to fill up all your freshwater stuff.
So you definitely don't want to confuse those two. One of the many pluses to paying to stay at a spot is dump station, water, and this spot was super cool because it was right next to the beach. I would say it was worth the $36, don't you think?
Yeah, I think it just depends on people and their value and budget, but for the area, yeah. For the area and the other options around, it was beautiful, especially taking into consideration everything. Seems to be expensive over here, but yeah, it was really nice.
After we left Cape Disappointment, we drove for about 2 hours and we looked at a couple different spots along the way. Unfortunately, a lot of them didn't have any service, although they were very pretty. But we needed to get some work done, get a video uploaded to you. So we kept driving and we ended up in the parking lot of a library. And they have really fast internet. There are a lot of trains going by and a lot of barking dogs, but it's free. And there's fast internet, so we cannot complain. Billy is getting all of his dish duty done.
I'm in the zone. Getting it done. You know how like people like warm up with hardcore rap music?
Are you listening to classical music again?
I get in the zone with foil podcasts.
Oh gosh.
Eh?
Tell them what they should do.
Delicious dinner. Thank you. You're the best.
No, tell them what they should do.
You should make sure you're subscribed. Comment below. Let us know how you like this video, what we did right, what we did wrong. And give us a thumbs up. That helps us. It helps the channel. It helps you see more of our videos in the future.
Another big plus of being parked outside of a library is unlimited Netflix.